What's the meaning of autofocus? Autofocus. Autofocus.
Autofocus. Autofocus. Autofocus is a feature found in cameras, lenses, and other optical instruments that automatically adjusts the focus of the lens to produce a sharp image. It does this by measuring the contrast between adjacent areas of the subject being photographed, and then adjusting the focus until the maximum contrast is achieved. This results in images that are sharper and clearer, as the autofocus system ensures that the intended subject is in focus. Autofocus is particularly useful when shooting fast-moving subjects, as it allows the photographer to capture sharp images without the need for manual focus adjustments.